This was a job that was done for a client. Initially, he gave me this photo, but in order for me to make it work, I had to throw it into my image generation software, or image manipulation software rather, and resize the photo so you would see it as in real life. So this was the result when I straightened everything, but the proportions were a little bit wrong. Still, it was a good place to begin. And once I had that, I was ready to go to the next step, which was to open this project in Blender and then to use the photo top left for a reference. So what I did is I went into the sculpting mode in Blender, and as you can see, that brings up a sphere. And from there, I was able to use the sculpting tools to build the shape in Blender. Now, I have to tell you, this was not an easy project by any means. Normally, when you do something like this, you would use a drawing tablet. Well, I didn't have one, so I had to build the entire image using a mouse. And what you see are the various steps that I went through in using the mouse to bring this shape together. Step number 4 is the last image when I started getting the textures and everything ready, and it looked rather flat, but fortunately I had the help of a guy by the name of Flavio Rivas, who lives in Brazil, and what he did was a technique within Blender of creating an environment, and once we had that environment, he rendered it or created it in such a way that when we rendered the final image, it looked like this. And as you can see, with his help, it looked photographic. The results were amazing. The client was thrilled. And what you're looking at for the final image, that was just one rendering. The very first rendering I did, only in Blender, no Photoshop, no retouching of any kind. The other thing about this image is everything was built entirely within Blender, using textures within Blender, with the exception of the photo of the mask, which we overlaid on top of the model that I built. And when we did that, the result was absolutely fabulous, as you see here.